Hey everyone, welcome back to Ronald.K! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use a trading fee rebate voucher in Binance, step by step. If you're looking to save money on your trades, this video is for you. Before we get started, make sure to sign up for Binance using the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on crypto trading and Binance tutorials. Let's dive in. First things first, if you don't have a Binance account yet, you need to sign up. Head over to Binance.com or click the referral link in the description to get started. Click on Sign Up, enter your email or phone number and create a strong password. Agree to the terms and conditions and hit Create Account. Complete the email verification and security checks. Once your account is set up, make sure to complete KYC verification by submitting your ID for full access to all Binance features. Now that your account is ready, let's claim the Trading Fee Rebate Voucher. Log into your Binance account. Hover over your profile icon and click Rewards Center. Look for your Trading Fee Rebate Voucher. Click on Claim Now to activate it. Your voucher is now ready to be used. Now let's use your voucher when making trades. Go to the Trade section and choose Spot Trading. Select the crypto pair you want to trade, for example, BTC, USDT. Enter the amount you want to buy or sell. Your trading fee rebate will be automatically applied when the order is executed. You'll see the deducted fee reflected in your transaction history. To confirm that the voucher is applied, you will need to check your wallet and transaction history on Binance. Make sure to look for the rebate entry to ensure it has been successfully credited to your account. And that's it. You're all set with your rebate. Thanks for joining us and happy trading. Go to your wallet and click on Transaction History. Look for your trade and check the fee deductions. If your voucher is active, you'll see a rebate applied to your trade fees. And that's it. You've successfully used a trading fee rebate voucher on Binance. It's an easy way to save money on trading fees and maximize your profits. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss another Binance tutorial. Sign up for Binance now using the link in the description to get more amazing rewards. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.